In this video, we'll provide a brief introduction to modern prop trading, covering its key concepts and what it entails. This is the first in a series of videos from Fintokei, designed to help you understand the ins and outs of modern prop trading. Ever heard of prop trading? It's short for proprietary trading. It's a game changer. Imagine trading on large accounts with the company's virtual capital, learning the ropes and making real money in the process. Unlike standard trading, you don't need your own money. With a higher capital account, you can open larger positions without risking as much relative to smaller accounts. Bigger positions can lead to bigger profits. Plus, you're not risking your own money. However, before you dive in, you usually must pass a trading challenge. To take the challenge, you just pay a one-time fee. The fee varies based on the account size you want. Once paid, it's showtime. Your task is to make a certain profit while keeping losses in check. Some firms rush you with time limits. At Fintokei, you can take all the time you need. When you crush the trading challenge, you get an account with virtual capital to trade. Remember, this capital is virtual. You're not using Fintokei's real money. But the profits? Those are very real. Depending on your program, you can withdraw between 50 to 100% of your profit. And what kind of programs Fintokei has to offer? With Fintokei ProTrader Challenge, discipline means higher rewards and opportunity to trade with up to $400,000. If you're new to trading, try our StartTrader program. It offers a trading challenge that will teach you the ins and outs of prop trading, helping you build a solid foundation for your trading journey. Want the fastest way to get paid out? That's our SwiftTrader program, a one-phase trading challenge with a 10% profit target that lets you withdraw 100% of your profits. Yes, you heard that right, 100%. So that's modern prop trading in a nutshell. In this video, we've covered what prop trading is, how trading with virtual capital works, the process of going through the trading challenge, and Fintokei's trading programs, ProTrader, SwiftTrader, and StartTrader. We will cover all these topics in detail in later videos, so be sure to watch them. If you have any questions, our FAQ has all the latest information you need.